Hey, fourth graders, today we're going to be doing pages 90 and 91 in our reading workbook. We are going to be doing our proofreading for spelling. You guys are probably getting pretty good at these pages, right? All right, so I usually do one with you together. One thing I wanted to say was to make sure that you find all of them. There are 11 of them. I'm having people send me when they're not all done, so make sure you find them all before you send them, okay? Otherwise, I have to mark them wrong, so makes your score go down. So here we go. Let's read our first sentence. Mr. Rico's students are planning to paint a mural on the wall outside their classroom. You know what? I do not see any mistakes in that first sentence. So we got lucky, didn't we? Let's start right here. Mr. Rico turns on the faucet. Ooh. Let's look at our words here. Let's read through them together, guys. We have allowed, bald, hawk, south, faucet, ding, 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 right? Okay, so we're going to write that one in the correct way. And you guys will keep going. I'm going to keep reading though. We've got proud, claw, tower, stalk, couple, howl, false, dawn, allow, drown, pause, fault, cause, amount, and cloudier. You should not be looking for your challenge words in that section, guys. All right, so finish that up and meet me on page 91. All right, on this page we're going to be talking about conjunctions, which I believe we already talked about once this year. So conjunctions are those little words that connect things. And the three conjunctions we're talking about today are and, but, and or. Let's read in our box. The words and, but, and or are conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is a word that connects other words or groups of words in a sentence. And joins together. But shows contrast. Contrast means how they're different. Or shows choice, like you might want to have pizza or lasagna. So they give us a sample here. Workers and tourists fill the subway station each day. So remember, and joins together. So it's joining together workers and tourists. Now, your job is to write the conjunction in each sentence. So remember the ones that we're looking for right up here. That's what we're going to do on this section right here. Look for it and write it on the line. So you're looking for the word and, but, or. So I would underline it in the sentence and write it on the line. I'm not going to do one, guys, because there's only 4 and they're pretty easy. So find those 4. When you get down to 5 through 8, you are going to put in the conjunction, okay, that fits with the words in the parentheses. Write the conjunction that has the meaning shown. So remember which one showed contrast. If I look up here, I know that the word but shows contrast. So I know that but is going to be the word that I'm going to use there, okay? And remember the word that joins together. Which word joins together? Look up at your little handy dandy thing up here. It says and joins together. So that's what I'm going to put there. All right. Good luck today, guys.